we've covered data with one variable. Now it's time to move up to the big leagues, bivariate data, or data with two variables. So we know that statistics is finding data and seeing a trend, but not all statistics is numerical. Some statistics can be found in categorical data, which is basically data that answers questions such as, what is your favorite soft drink, or what type of player do you like on this team? It's not something that's a number. The thing with categorical data is it doesn't really work as the same way as numerical data. You can't say what is the mean and the median of what is your favorite soft drink. You're going to have answers like Pepsi and you're going to have answers like Coke. It's not going to be something like 1, 2, 3, or 4. Usually categorical data will be found off of two categorical variables. So the data we're going to be using is for the categories, what is your favorite superpower, and if you're a male or a female, to see if there is a trend between choice of superpower and your gender. So 450 people were randomly selected from a 1,000 people survey on what is your favorite superpower. Here I recorded the results of those 450 people, and I recorded how many females and males differently for each one. Obviously, if there's 49 females for 100 people who choose to fly, we can infer that there are 51 males with the superpower of flying. So here we can easily see trends right away. So the most popular superpowers are telepathy and freeze time, because 131 and 118. The most popular female superpower is going to be telepathy. The most popular male superpower is going to be freeze time, because these are where we see the most females and the most males, even when we infer for these other numbers. Now, one other thing we can tell, the least popular would be super strength, and definitely the least popular for female, because there are 25 males out of 26, which means one female. In the same way, there are 70 females who would choose telepathy. Out of 118, we know that there's going to be 48 males who like telepathy, which is much less. So why are we choosing to include gender and not just which is the favorite superpower? It's because we're trying to investigate if males and females show a different general interest in superpowers. This isn't necessarily the case, we're just trying to figure out if it's true. So, just to summarize that, we are answering the question, do males and females have different preferences for superpower? So what should we expect when trying to analyze this data? We know that we're going to have to look at the data and see if there's variability and how each superpower's variability is affected by gender. This is known as bivariate categorical data. The bivariate means that there are two different variables we are assessing. Which is your favorite superpower, and if you're a male or a female. So how did the people create this survey? They most likely did this by saying, which is your favorite superpower, and which gender are you? The next step is to take that data and to organize it. Hey, thanks for watching this Crash Course video. To watch the previous video in this series, click here. To watch the next video in this series, click there. If you want to request a video, make sure you put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video.